Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this army green makeup look. I used the new Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks in the shade Wasabi, or Midnight Wasabi, that's what it's called. I really like this lipstick. It's like so good. If you guys want to see how I got this army green makeup look, I also used the Subculture palette. I don't have it in my hands right now. It's down on my floor. I really don't want to pick it up, but you know what it is, I guess. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, I'm gonna show you, so keep on watching. Okay guys, today I am going to be taking my Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. First I am going in with the shade Edge, which is this yellow shade right here. I am taking that on a Sigma tapered blending brush. It is the E40. I am going to be putting that in my crease. Next, I am going to be taking the shade New Wave. I am taking that shade on a diffused crease brush. It is the E38 from Sigma. I'm putting that in the same place where I put that yellow shade, just slightly lower. This kind of looks like Cheeto dust. Hello, my name is Brettney Cruz and today I'm doing a Cheeto dust makeup look. Next, I am going to be taking the shade Destiny. I am going to be taking that on a e.l.f. brush. I put a little bit on my eye already, so I'm just going to pack that on the lid. I'm going to be blending that shade out. I am going to be taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and I'm going to be adding a wing to this look. Okay, I am going to get started on my face. I am using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Next, I am going to be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is shade 200. Just going to dot that on my face like usual. Next, I am taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. Next, I am going to be taking this L'Oreal True Match Powder, if I can get it open. There you go. And setting my face with it. Someone wanted to say hi. This is Tater Tot. He's so cute. He's so fluffy. He's he's more interested in the birds outside. Mimsy also wanted to say hi. This is Mimsy. Okay, next I am going to be taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going in with this middle shade right here. Next for blush, I am taking this Sephora blush in the shade Too Hot. For highlight today, I am taking my Anastasia That Glow Kit, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Bubbly. Okay guys, I put on mascara. I didn't do my lower lash line because I just don't think the look requires for me to do that. Like, I feel like I might ruin it if I did that. So I'm going to go straight in with lips. I am taking the Mademoiselle Fenty Beauty lipstick, I think, in the shade Midnight Wasabi. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really like this lipstick. If you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Whatever you want to do. But I had a lot of fun here today. I hope you had a lot of fun. I'll catch you later.